What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to repair a peeling glaze tub. I'm going to be in the future ripping this tub out and just converting it to a shower, but for the meantime I got to repair, because it looks like shit, the finish. And it peeled over here, and you're not going to get the exact same color. I'm going to tell you that right now. But what you can do is remove the caulk, take some 500 wet sandpaper up to 1000 grit, and feather this edge out all the way around the whole tub, and then tape it off the way I did. Then get yourself some spray paint with primer. Now, before you primer it, make sure you use some alcohol and wipe this area all down real good. After we get this sprayed, you're going to let it cure for 24 hours. And you're going to come back and you're going to wet sand it with 1200, 1500 grit sandpaper, and you're going to break this tape line edge down. And then we'll use some regular Colgate paste toothpaste, and we'll rub that back and forth as a polishing compound. And then you're going to use Meguiar's scratch remover to give it a nice shine. And you can see down here, it's already shiny down there, and that was just a cleaning with some Colgate toothpaste and some Meguiar's scratch remover. Okay guys, so we got this painted up. Now I was using Krylon. It's Fusion, comes with the primer. Directions said mist the coat on, wait a minute, and then just keep building it up. And you can see over here, it built up fairly good. And then after I got it built up so far, I put a pretty decent heavy coat on, and it had a very nice shine to it. And they said after that, wait 2 hours and you can give it another coat. 48 hours, give it another coat. Well, back here in this corner, you were able to see the pink yet. And then along this line here, you were able to see the pink. So, needless to say, the nice shine I had on it, it kind of looks, it's not orange peel, but it didn't go on as nice, and I wouldn't wait the 2 hours. Anyhow, we can take care of that by wet sanding it, and you can see, like I said, it's going to be a different tone here. But most importantly, after you're done your final coat of paint, you're going to want to remove your taping with the tape and the paper, because you're going to make a bonding from the paint to the tape. So pull it off on a 45-degree angle all the way around while it's still wet. And then later on we'll come back and we'll wet sand it and do the steps I previously mentioned. Alright, so we got done wet sanding it and made it nice and smooth. We knocked the edge down so it's feathered in. Now it's time to use some toothpaste as polishing compound. So there's the toothpaste that I used, and you can see, hopefully, the shine is starting to come back. Now we'll move on to the Meguiar's scratch remover. Okay, so this is the stuff I used, and you can use any scratch remover, I guess, but here's our finished result. Hopefully the camera's picking the shine up. And this scratch remover here, when your tub gets scuzzy, I was told you're only supposed to use 409, fantastic, scrubbing bubbles and all, and the way I maintained this shine for, I guess it's 4 years now that the tub has been reglazed the second time. It's just toothpaste and then this polishing compound, and it brings the shine back.